So first we'll see Eigrp auto-summarization. Okay, this is what we are going to see now. So first I'll configure it. Now what we have to do is we have configured IP address on all the device as it's mentioned here. Okay, and we have also given IP address for the serial interface. Okay, everything is configured. Now what we have to do is we have to run Eigrp on all the interface. How to run Eigrp? You know that, right? You can also do like this. I'm going to use a Eigrp 100. I'm not going to give no auto-summarization. I'm going to give network 10.0. That is, I'm going to enable it like this. If you give like this, what happens is it will enable it for entire 10 network. So whatever interface you have which belongs to this 10 subnet will be enabled. So I'm going to use this command on all the devices. Router 1 done. Router 2 6 7 and 8. All the routers I have enabled Eigrp. So I'll see out. No need. I want to show that difference, right? That's why I didn't give no auto-summarization. Now you should get routes within few.
And this router 4, sir? Router 4?
Which router 4?
No, this is not router 4. This is router 8.
This is router 4.
This one is the last.
This is router 8.
8 now. Yeah, router 8.
I have enabled. I didn't.
192 also.
I did that. See? Show running complete. Okay? Okay, yeah. Sorry. I got it. Router Eigrp 100. I'll remove it. First I'll remove it. I'll reconfigure it. Router Eigrp 100. Network 192.1.12.3. The same thing I have to do on router 3. That's it. Now you should get all the routes.
Router 3 in 10 network also and 192.
See, you're getting all the routes.
Sir, in router 3 10 network also will configure and 192.
You're getting the routes properly, see?
Yes,
but you should not get it. I didn't give no auto-summary command.
Yeah.
Did you notice that?
Yes.
That's because I'm using latest iOS, that is 15.x. It's current iOS. So where auto-summarization is disabled very. Okay, I'll show that.
Okay. And previous it was.
Okay. So when I showed you lab previously, it was enabled. It was older iOS. Okay. Now it's the latest iOS. Okay. So it's disabled by default.
Yes, sir.
So what I'll do is I'll enable it. What do you say?
Yes.
Okay. I'll give this command. Now all the device. Done?
Yes.
Router 1, router 2, router 3, router 4. Let's use router 4. Router 4. Okay, let's see. Router 3. Router 4.
Router 6.
Done. Now let's check the route. you are getting a single route. That's because auto-summarization.
Auto-summarization.
So on lab, if you do any lab on normal iOS which you use for a lab purpose, it contains 12.x version of iOS. If you see your iOS version, like by issuing show version command, you will find out that it's a 12.0 version. But my iOS is 15.0. See, it's 15.0 version. Okay. So in 15.x version, what happens is no auto-summarization is disabled by default. So I'll do it again. I'll do this again. Router 1, router 2, router 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now check it. Show IP out. I'm getting all the subnetworks because I disabled auto summarization now. So in Eigrp you can do manual summarization. Do you know how to do summarization? Summarization that I have to teach you.
10.0.
What I'll do is, I'll do summarization. I'll summarize it into class B network /16.
Yes, sir.
Instead of /24, see, I'm getting all the /24 routes, right?
Yes.
Instead of /24, I'll make it as /16.
After crossing the major
Exactly.
network.
I'll say that all the routes are 10.1.0.0. Okay, all 10.1.0.0. I'll match like that. Okay. So I'm going to give a route to this guy, a single route, saying that I have 10.1.0.0, which will cover all these. How to do exact summarization, I will teach you later. Okay. Router 3.
Now,
Go to that particular interface.
Yeah.
Interface serial
Sir,
3/0.
now we have done no auto summarization.
We have
Done. Again.
Okay.
Then
Now we are going to do manual summarization. We are going to summarize it manually according to our wish. So instead of saying 10.0.0.0, it's false, right? 10.0.0.0 should not be sent outside because I don't have any 10.0 subnet, but I have 10.1.0.0.
10.1.
See here, 10.1.0.0. I have 10.1.0.0 subnet.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to say to this neighbor that I have 10.1.0.0 instead of saying 10.0.0. You can also summarize it in class full.
Yes.
I'm not going to teach you how to summarize it exactly. I'm teaching you how to summarize. How to summarize manually. That's it. How to summarize it exactly, that you have to know after summarizing. Okay.
Sir,
now
we are just summarizing 10 network into 10.1.
No, 10.1.8. These subnetworks. We are going to summarize these subnetworks into /16. These are /24, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to say that I have 10.1.0.0, which will cover these subnets, all subnets, which starts with 10.1. Got it? So go to that particular interface. See here, router 3. The command is, see here, first see the command. I'll take the notes later. Okay. The command is IP summary address for Eigrp. How you want to summarize it? What is the autonomous system for Eigrp? 100. How you want to summarize it? 10.1.0.0/16. You can do like this, but it's in latest iOS. In older iOS, you have to give the subnet mask.
Subnet mask. They have written also a subnet mask.
Okay, you have to give like this. In this iOS, you can give like this /16. You can give CAD value. Done. Now let's check R8. I should get only single route, but it should not be
/24.
It should not be /8.
Oh yeah, it should be /16.
16. See here, I got it. /16.
Yes.
Be careful. Got it? So you can ask me a question. Okay, I'm telling this guy that, first listen, I'm telling this guy that I know about entire 10.1.0.0 network, right?
Yes.
What metric I'll be using there? Because for each and every subnetwork, the metric might differ. For this guy, to reach this guy will be of different metric, to reach this guy will be of different metric, right? So what metric I'll be giving? So what metric I'll be giving to that summarized route? I'll be giving the best metric which has inside me to that summarized route. What happens if any one of this network goes down in your subnetwork? Like, I'll remove this, I'll remove this. So this is down now. What happens? Will you get that update? No. Because you have summarized it, you have to disable all the network, or all the network should go down to bring this network down. Because even if one network is up, still this route is valid. This is a summarized route, this is not an exact route, right? So even if a single network is up, this route will be there. This route will not be removed until all the subnetworks are removed or down. Got it? Head out?
Yeah.
Will you be able to ping 10.1.0.1? Yeah. You'll be. So don't like this.
Yeah. Only one path is.
Got it? Head out? Okay. Now authentication.
So now I'm looking path.
Now authentication. Eigrp. Eigrp supports only MD5.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't support clear text authentication like other protocols. Okay. So I want to authenticate between these two neighbors. I want to authenticate Eigrp process only between these two neighbors. You can do that in red. It's per neighbor basis, per interface basis. Okay. I'll go to router 3. Interface serial 3/0.
So we can go to notepad and create a keychain.
I'll create it here. Is there any problem?
Yeah.
Keychain. Okay. Name for that keychain.
Keychain
Okay.
number.
Key ID.
Number.
There is key identifier.
Yes.
I will give
So
1.
we can write caps lock or.
Of course. Okay. Then
Key
key string.
password.
I'll give Cisco. Got it?
Then you have to go into details. What is this?
I'll copy this.
Okay.
I'll copy this. Okay. I'll copy this so that I could paste it on another end. Okay. Now I have created a key chain.
So do show run then space.
This is pipe symbol,
Okay, this is pipe symbol.
and then section. You want to see a specific section called as, which starts with E. Clear? Okay. Now I have created a key,
Yes.
that is keychain. Now I have to bind it on
Binary
interface for Eigrp process, right? Serial 3/0 IP authentication.
Eigrp.
First you have to set the
we are
mode.
writing in that we are writing Eigrp authentication.
Yeah, IP authentication.
Okay.
I'm not doing RIP, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Then why I want to RIP?
No, just I'm asking.
It's RIP.
That
It's
we are writing.
Eigrp. Okay.
Yes.
IP authentication mode, Eigrp, and autonomous system number is 1, and you are going to do MD5 authentication. You are just enabling this authentication. This command will enable the authentication. See, now authentication failure has occurred, so the neighbor is down. Got it? Get it out?
Only one command in this.
No, I have enabled authentication. I didn't bind my keychain.
Yeah. Yes.
Properly listen what I am saying. Okay? I'm enabling authentication. I didn't bind my keychain inside the Eigrp process. Now I'm going to do that. I'm going to enable, I enabled authentication. I'm going to bind the keychain for that Eigrp process on that interface. Okay. IP authentication, instead of mode, now it's keychain.
And keychain name.
Again Eigrp 100 for this autonomous system, and the name of the keychain India. This command will bind the keychain which we have created to this Eigrp process on this interface. That's it. Done on this side. Now go to the other end. I'll paste it first. Okay. Copy, paste the keychain which I created on this router. I have pasted it on this router. Okay. Now interface serial 1/0 IP authentication mode Eigrp 100.
Sir, no
MD5.
100. Yeah.
Why no 100?
No, I heard 100.
Yeah, 100.
Yeah, 100. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
What happened?
Nothing. I thought 101.
100 means 100.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes.
IP authentication instead of mode, now keychain. Okay. What is the name of the keychain? Before that Eigrp 100 and name of the keychain. What is the name of the keychain?
India.
Again India. Now let's see. It should come up. See? Neighbor is up.
Yes.
Did you see that?
Yes, sir. Neighbor is up.
Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll debug. Debug.
Why you are doing Control Z?
To come out.
Okay.
If I type exit, it will go to configuration mode, and then again I have to type exit to go to privilege mode.
Yes,
so if you type Control C from any other mode, you will be directly sent to that privilege mode.
Privilege mode.
Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to capture this interface. I'm going to capture this interface. Okay.
IP authentication keychain Eigrp 100 India.
Any doubt till here? Okay. Now I have captured this, right? Which interface? Serial 3/0. Now open Wireshark. Analyze it. You have to enjoy each and every step. So for that you have to listen. Okay? Don't take notes now. It's simple. You can take it from me. Now start your Wireshark. It's starting or not? What happened to Wireshark? Yeah, it's coming.
Minimize.
I don't know what happened to Wireshark.
It's minimized, I think so. This one. Here.
No, it's not there. It's not a Wireshark. See? Now we got Wireshark. Okay? So what's happening inside Wireshark? We'll analyze that. See, I'm going to see that hello packet. From .8 to dot, that is to a multicaster. I'll open this. See? Authentication data. Right?
Authentication data is MD5.
You have PID1.
PID1.
But it's an MD5 authentication, so the key data.
Yes,
it's encrypted. Got it? Any doubt?
No doubt.
So this is the benefit of using MD5 authentication. The information will be somewhat secure. It's not 100% secure. MD5 you can crack it within a second. You have free tools. Even Cisco provides a free tool to crack MD5 authentication. It's cracked within a second. You have lots of other authentication procedures to provide better authentication. MD5 is a basic procedure. Okay? Any doubts in here? This is what authentication is in Eigrp.